Today we are working in Mercedes-Benz Actros 2007 with the Texa by Bluetooth communication. So we are already here in fix it. So now I am in here with my laptop. So there is a Bluetooth dongle, Toshiba Bosch. A Bluetooth dongle, 150 meter Bluetooth dongle this is, and this is the security key for the Texa software. So here it is. This is the Texa software interface. So I here only subscribe for the Texa truck. Also have cars and bikes, industrial equipment, marine. This is off-road, you can say, the agriculture and off-road vehicles. This is for marine. So I have subscription for the truck. So let's start to work. So if I click here truck, so I get a Mercedes. Okay, I get a Mercedes. Here is a Mercedes-Benz. So we are going to be 2003 up until 2008. So this is a 7, so we must select in 2003 up to 2008. So this is 7, so definitely I using the 2003. So the here is a door number. So this truck is a 1846. So if I get 1846, 1854, 1846, there is a 1846. If didn't have a 1846, you can use anything, any near of the version of engine, so it is working, no problem. So let's click it. So now is going to be full scanning vehicle, or you have to go one by one control unit. So I want to be diagnosed in the control unit for gear control. So I have to go in transmission here in the last tachograph. Here it is. This is the transmission. So I click it. They ask me what is the management system of the transmission. So this is the two type of management system. One for the HPS, hydraulic pneumatic power shift. So this is basically a manual gear with hydraulic. So this is the GSLL EPS, electronic gear control. So let's click to continue, start. So now the interface is detected. Already Bluetooth is active here. Here you can see the communication is in progress. Okay, now is continue. So there is a 1, 2, 3 fault here. So there is a whole is RPM sensor not detecting signal. So there is a inactive or a storage fault. So I have to going check in a value of this the sensor. So I go in my favorite here. So I have already add the sensor here. So there it is. So I can move little bit and track and see whether it is working or not. So here my guy is going to drive the truck, little reverse and little front. So then we can see we have a dash system here. So we are not using because some cases I feel better to use. So here it is B57 no signal and B99 also no signal. This is the problem. This vehicle going somebody, they are change control unit for the gear, and then the shifting bulbs and wiring. He doing many things, but the truck is same. So this truck is coming with me, and I contract this one around 900 US dollar or 3000 Saudi Riyal to finish whatever need. I fix it. The parts include me, and everything I pay. The parts, labor charge, everything include the 3000 Riyal, Saudi Riyal. So I ready to work now. I figure out what is the problem now. So I have to go physically check in the sensors. I want to check the control unit connection and parameterization and many kind of things. So thank you for watching.